If I have a video that's extremely long and I just want to go through it and cut out the highlights, I can use the multi-trim video. So here I am on the racetrack. This fat guy on the motorbike is me, and as you can see, I'm going around, but the guy behind me, every once in a while, he doesn't get me in shot. So that's a lot of empty footage that I don't require. So what I can do multi-trim and get rid of all the unwanted footage. So my footage is in the main track, right click, and I'm going to use here multi-trim video. Now this is going to pop up a new window, and from here I can just use this little scrubber and just scroll through the clips I want. So I want to keep this one here. I can press play, and as soon as I'm out of shot, well, I don't need any more of that. Bingo. And I can use the scrubber to speed everything up. I'm back in shot, so I may click this one, press play, and then this way I can go through the entire video, pick out the highlights as I go around the track. So let's do one more just for this video, and this will be enough. So I got 3 individual clips that I can work with now. All right, so the VideoStudio will cut these down, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to Control A, and I'm going to click and drag, and this will then create individual thumbnails for each clip. Now here's an interesting problem. I had a viewer by the name of Michael reach out, and he was working on his clip, and he says, hey, this is all great, and the thumbnails can be confusing because basically if you look at it, it's me, me, me. What's so different about these? Imagine if I have 100 clips, how to know which clip to go for? He was asking, is it possible to rename each clip? And the answer is no, you cannot. Why? Because you're basically working from the parent clip, which is this one, and it's always going to adopt that name, and there is no option in here to rename your clip. But what we can do is tag clips. In other words, if I right click at the bottom here, you see tags, and this allows me to give each clip an individual name. So let's do that. So we can create a new category. So I've got here category, and I'm going to rename that into, say, bike day. And then over here I've got 3 clips. Now I can name each clip individually, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm just going to call it 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's add number 5 in case I create another one. So add new tag 5. Okay, now what I can do here, I can assign the number I want to this clip. So let's say for argumentatively I want to call this clip number 3. So back into here, open, highlight number 3. Now you'll see that it's blue, and you press OK. Watch what happens when I move my cursor. I don't have to do anything. It will automatically highlight it, and you can see right at the bottom, this is number 3. And I can do that with each clip. Tag, open it up. I may call this clip number 2, and I may call this clip number 1. Like so. As you can see, it's blue. Press OK, and as I go along the clip, I can see tag 1, tag 2, tag 3, and this is an easy way for me to identify what clip is what. And there you go, Michael and everybody else watching. I hope this is useful to you, and as always, thanks for watching.